poles blocked up, so everybody seems to be
Get them
staying in there
interested.
now.
These had their worming, so I can get them interested in a little rattly elephant. They're all chasing him a second ago. Let's chase the elephant. Oh, look at that elephant. He's a nice elephant.
It's the ones that there's like 3 beagles in there, and
Okay.
yeah. Little Redbone's next door, but he doesn't seem to dig out.
Okay, I know.
If you put her in there, she gave him 2 minutes, and it was a little Redbone. So
You're chasing my boot. You chase my boot. Hey, cutie. Hi, cutie patootie. Oh, he's a nice boy. And he wants lots of attention because he's just a cute baby. Yeah, I got. Oh, I didn't finish nails. I only got one doggy done. Oh, he's getting the butterscotch off the other one. Lily's like, I don't like this containment system.
Yeah, one guy, you know, he's pretty sure he can figure a way out.
She's like, I'm depressed now. I'm in here. It's terrible.
Oh, yeah, I know, he's been out there a couple
It's worse than being in self-isolation.
Slow wag, the slow wag.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything.
Slow.
You're the only one doing stuff? Okay.
I'll stop that tail. I couldn't stop him wagging, I'll chew it off. I'm so shy. No pictures, no pictures. Turn that camera on.
His tail is going. Oh, Lily, your mommy wants to see you playing. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. You guys do. You're being silly. Hi. So one of these little guys is, this one's a bit bigger. And this is a little bit smaller. You can see him. Both very sweet. Very friendly babies. Tail waggers. He's not chewing me too hard yet. He's just mouthing me. So he's probably learned not to chew too hard from Mommy. Mommy will put him down. Rough him up. Yeah? You learned that from your mommy? What's Mr. Big Bunny doing? You want that? You were looking for your elephant? Good boy. Trying to give that to your brother. Get him going. What's he making all that noise for? Does he have to make that much noise? Hey. Hey, Lily wanted the pink elephant. Hey, baby. There you go. It's just like, oh, that's my pink elephant. You are adorable. Oh, one's behind me. I think it's Lily. Nope, it's a little boy. Hi, little boy. Come to see if you could escape out this side. Tigger's, he's standing sentry. Can't get out there. Right, Lily? Hey, BB. Want to get your nails done? Let's get your nails all trimmed up. Oh, you're volunteering? Didn't I already do yours? Yeah, I did your brother's. Come here, baby. Nice, sweetie. Oh. Okay, let's get some nails done.